My name is Josh. I'm from Mass Hardscapes and I use Unilock because they make the best concrete pavers. Today we are on a site in Hopkinton. We are working on demoing our existing concrete patio. We're going to be putting in a Beacon Hill paver patio, a estate wall sitting wall, and a custom-sized Roman stack fire pit. We have found Unilock's products to be superior compared to every other manufacturer that we have used. We're pretty small. As you can probably see, I am working myself on site today, like I do most days. We have a very busy industry, very rapidly growing industry. One thing that I have seen being a younger guy in the industry is a just really growing community on social media. Maybe that's the reason that guys aren't feeling like they have to be so cutthroat with each other. There's enough work for everybody, so I think it's better for us to all work together, grow the industry, and make it more professional.